Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions and see if they work on a lock screen for Motorola Moto G53. And to do this we'll need to open a settings. Now scroll down a bit and look for gestures. Right here go all the way down to find the kinetic gestures and see how they work on a lock screen. So first one is quick launch, and here we need to open it, enable it, then move to the settings and pick what function they will work as. And here we have open audio recorder, and in this case let's go for open app and choose contacts, for example. So now it works like this. When your phone is unlocked, you double tap in the back with your finger and it should open the specific function that you've chosen. But let's see if this works on the lock screen. So when our phone is totally locked, we double press and let's try to unlock it. Maybe then it will pop as a first thing. No, so this feature doesn't work on your lock screen. Moving on, we have quick capture. Twist your wrist twice to open the camera anytime. So this should work on the lock screen. We just need to flip our phone like this and yeah, it opens the camera. Fast flashlight. Perform 2 chops or something that looks like a handshake to open a flashlight. In this case it should work on the lock screen, but I always have problems with this feature on the Motorola devices. I don't know how to do it, but you perform it like that and it should turn on the flashlight right here, but this never works for me. I don't know. Next is lift to unlock. So if you enable it, you'll be able to unlock your device by picking it up and looking at the screen. You can also set up the face recognition to unlock your phone as well. Now let's lock our device. I'm gonna pick it up from the table and now look in the camera, and yeah, it works fine. Pick up to silence. Pick your phone if you have any calls, and they should be muted when they're incoming. So this feature works on your lock screen. And next one is flip for D&D, and that also will work fine with lock screen. So you put your phone like this and it should mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.